Hey everyone, come back to another deep dive into the world of success and what it truly means. Let's dive right into it. Failure. Word that science showers down our spines and makes our heart race. That big, scary void that most of us dread, often associate with disappointment and a sense of defeat. What if I told you that failure isn't the pitfall we all think it is? Rather, it's the secret sauce to success. Hey, heard that right. Failure is not the end, it's a crucial part of the journey. I've fallen flat on my face more times than I can count each time. Felt like the end of the world. It wasn't each brace, each setback. Would be sometime invaluable. It was like a hidden lesson waiting to be discovered. It's like getting the answers to a test, only after you've learned it a couple of times. These lessons are the building blocks of our future success. Imagine this Thomas Edison, poor inventing the light bulb, failed over 1,000 times. 1,000. Can you imagine the persistence of resilience that took? Yet, he said, I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Mindset is what separates the successful from the rest. That's not just perseverance. That's turning failure into a stepping stone. Each failure was a step closer to his ultimate goals. Don't lose, you learn. Every mistake is an opportunity to grow and improve. Let's talk about the tech giant, Apple. Company synonymous with innovation and success. You know, Steve Jobs was once ousted from his own company. It was a public and humiliating failure. Sounds like a brutal failure, right? But it was far from the end of his story. He came back stronger, leading Apple to become one of the most valuable companies in the world. Time away allowed him to learn, grow, come back with a renewed vision. The dark period wasn't a setback. It was a setup for a major comeback. It was a necessary part of his journey. Greatness, the kicker, failure is only end if you decide to stop there. It's a choice to give up or to keep pushing forward. Every entrepreneur, every visionary faces challenges. It's an unavoidable part of the process. It's those who embrace and learn from their failure. Those who never fail truly succeed. So, what's your take? Are you ready to embrace failure as a stepping stone? Are you going to let fear or failure stop you? Or are you going to let it fuel your journey? Choice is yours. Humble. It's not just about failing, it's about rising every time we fall. It's about resilience and determination. It's a real journey of an entrepreneur. It's a path filled with ups and downs. But each step is worth it. Go out there, make mistakes, learn from this. Pivot your way to success. Embrace the journey with all its twists and turns. After all, if you are not failing, probably not trying hard enough, there is a sign that you're pushing the limits. Keep pushing. Keep evolving and let every failure be a stepping stone to your success. Each failure brings you one step closer to your goals. Catch you on the flip side. Until then, keep striving, keep failing, and keep succeeding.